sweet corn with butter and sugar. Well, wala, na-miss ko lang. I used to eat sweet corn on the street, buying it from the bangketa with what this color, cheese color, yeah, cheese flavor. But this one is sweet corn on can, in can, yeah. So okay naman siya, masarap. Bismillah. Midnight snack along with ginger tea with milk na evap. Flavor is karak flavor yung milk. Actually yung karak is milk with ginger also as well. Okay, tara, let's eat.